Hello children, welcome you in the bio class. I am going to explain you bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is a virus which infect bacterial cell. So you have to understand what is bacteriophage. A virus which infect bacterial cell is bacteriophage. Bacteriophages were discovered by Edward Tawert. Edward Tawert discovered bacteriophage virus. Bacteriophage viruses are obligate parasite. They are found in all such habitats where bacteria can survive. Children, actually Edward Tawert and de Herelle were discovering bacteria in the soil. Their intention was to investigate bacteria in the soil. But they found virus which infect on the bacterial cell, and that virus is bacteriophage virus. So these bacteriophage virus is obligate parasite. It is found in such habitats where bacteria can survive. Bacteriophages are characterized by the presence of angular head. When you see the structure of it, so there is angular head. This is the head. It is made of protein. Inside it, DNA, nucleic acid is present. That is the DNA, nucleic acid is present here. It is the protein coating. It is made up of protein and this one, nucleic acid, DNA. Now there is tail and their collar has given end plate, and after that at the end plate their fibers are attached. So this is the structure of the bacteriophage virus. You have to learn bacteriophages have angular head. This portion is called angular head. Another part is called tail. Depending on the infection of phages with the bacterial cell, bacteriophages are two types. One category is of virulent or lytic. Other is avirulent, that is temperate phage. The viruses which multiply by using the host machinery when they enter in the host cell and causes the lysis of the cells are called virulent or lytic phages. So which are the lytic phages? The bacteriophage virus which multiply using the host machinery when enter the host cell and cause lysis of the cell are called virulent. After the lysis of the host cells, phages are liberated and now they can infect new host cell. But the bacterial cells whose nucleic acid gets incorporated in bacterial DNA and replicate along with it constitute lysogenic cycle are called avirulent or temperate bacteriophages. So children, I told about two types of bacteriophages. One is virulent, other is avirulent, or one is lytic phages, other is lysogenic temperate phages.